Hey guys, Dan here, and today we're going to raise the roof. Alright guys, so I went to Lowe's today and I got some of this PVC roofing panel for about $16 each. Honestly, I don't know if I got enough. And I also got a few 2x4s to help frame this in. To attach the PVC roofing to the coop, I'm going to use these self-tapping neoprene washer screws. This is apparently the best thing for PVC roofing, to attach them. Use what you got, not what you need. Hello. How are you, Scott? Alright, time to put this paneling up top. All right, got the roof on. And as I suspected, I'm a little short. So I'll figure something out here pretty soon to fill in this hole. But for right now, I'm just going to have to leave it. I didn't get enough of this PVC topping. But pretty good. It'll be running downhill there. I know this isn't the correct way to lay this stuff, but I didn't want to cut it all and not have enough to get this far. So water will drain from both sides. I have a little high spot there in the center. But a ton more shade for these ladies. All right, guys, so this part's going to be open. I'm just going to put some of this chicken wire on top, roll it out, and this will be the top for this side. Goodbye, board.
Hello, ladies.
All right, everyone, here we go. So I put some chicken wire up here. We're gonna have a little sunny area. They can get warm and have a little fresh air. Then under here we have the PVC roofing. Hopefully the ladies in here like it. Let's see. You ladies like it? Awesome. I'm really glad that you like it. All right, guys, so I got my other feeder and I suspended it from the roof here, from that beam. Keeps it off the ground, keeps them from spilling it every day, and it can hold a lot more, so a little bit easier to manage. And I also raised a self-water, just a few bricks to keep it off the ground. They were getting some poop and other scratch in there, so it makes it a little bit easier to clean, maintain. All right, so next time I will be finishing up the wall here. I will be putting a board on this side, maybe on the back, but probably chicken wire on the back. And I'll be putting chicken wire here, but I think that's enough for tonight. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and as always, catch you later.